Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to devices setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experience. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home technology with a step-by-step guide on how to set up your Google Home Mini. Whether you're a tech newbie or a smart home pro, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process of getting your Google Home Mini up and running in no time. Plus, we'll offer some pro tips along the way to ensure you're maximizing the potential of your new device. Let's get started on transforming your home into a smarter, more connected space. First things first, let's unbox the Google Home Mini. Inside the box, you'll find the Google Home Mini, a power adapter, and some quick start guides. Go ahead and plug in the power adapter and connect it to your Google Home Mini. The device will automatically power on, and you'll see the LED lights on top indicating that it's booting up. Next, you'll need to download the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already installed it, you can easily find it on the Google Play Store for Android devices or the Apple App Store for iOS devices. After downloading, open the app and sign in with your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you'll be prompted to create one during this step. Once signed in, the app will guide you through a few initial setup screens, helping you configure it. Now, let's add your Google Home Mini to the app. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner, select Setup Device, and choose New Devices. The app will start searching for nearby devices. When it finds your Google Home Mini, just tap on it to begin the setup process. Next, it's time to connect your Google Home Mini to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi from the list, enter your password, and wait for the connection to establish. This step ensures that your Google Home Mini can access the internet and respond to your voice commands. After connecting to Wi-Fi, you'll be prompted to set up voice match. This feature allows Google Home Mini to recognize your voice and provide personalized responses. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. You can also customize your preferences, like choosing your default music service, setting your home address, and linking other smart devices. Once everything is set up, it's time to test your Google Home Mini. Try saying "Hey Google," followed by a simple command like "What's the weather today?" or "Play some music." Your Google Home Mini should respond immediately, showing that it's fully set up and ready to use. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to get the most out of your Google Home Mini. So it's better to place it in a central location for better voice recognition. Secondly and lastly, you can use it to control your smart home devices with just your voice.